Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most unique electric vehicles on the road, the all-new 2027 Volkswagen ID. Finished in a stunning sky blue color, this futuristic electric minivan combines retro Volkswagen Microbus styling with modern EV technology. If you're looking for a family vehicle that stands out from every SUV on the road, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. The 2027 ID. Buzz returns with updated technology, new features, and an even stronger focus on practicality and comfort. Let's find out whether this electric minivan is worth the hype. Exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the beautiful sky blue paintwork. Volkswagen has perfectly blended classic microbus inspiration with a modern electric design. The large illuminated VW badge, sleek LED headlights, and short front overhang create a friendly and futuristic appearance. From the side, the ID. Buzz looks incredibly spacious. The long wheelbase, large windows, and smooth body lines give it a premium and airy look. The sliding rear doors make getting in and out effortless, especially in tight parking spaces. At the rear, you'll find stylish LED taillights connected by a sleek light bar. The clean design keeps everything modern while maintaining the iconic Volkswagen van character. Large alloy wheels and available two-tone paint options further enhance its personality. The ID. Buzz is one of those vehicles that attracts attention everywhere it goes. Interior. Step inside and the cabin immediately feels bright, modern, and welcoming. The sky blue interior theme perfectly complements the exterior color, creating a cheerful atmosphere rarely seen in today's vehicles. The dashboard features a clean layout with a digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen. The latest infotainment software is faster and easier to use than before, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin ensure everyone stays connected during long journeys. Comfort is a major strength of the ID. The front seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives. In the second row, passengers enjoy generous legroom, while the third row is spacious enough for adults, a rarity in many modern family vehicles. Storage is excellent throughout the cabin, and the large glass area creates an open and airy feeling. Behind the third row, there's plenty of cargo space for groceries and luggage, and folding the rear seats unlocks an enormous cargo area for road trips and family adventures. Performance. Under the skin, the 2027 Volkswagen ID. Buzz is available with two electric powertrain options. The standard rear-wheel drive model produces around 282 horsepower, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version increases output to approximately 335 horsepower. Acceleration is surprisingly quick for a vehicle of this size. The AWD model can reach 60 miles per hour in roughly 5.5 seconds, making it faster than many traditional family vehicles. Power delivery is smooth and instant, as expected from an electric vehicle. On the road, the ID. Buzz focuses on comfort. The suspension absorbs bumps well, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Despite its size, the low-mounted battery pack helps improve stability and handling. Range remains competitive, with EPA estimates around 231 to 234 miles depending on configuration. Fast charging capability allows the battery to recharge from around 10% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes under ideal conditions. Volkswagen has also added compatibility with Tesla supercharger access through a standard NACS adapter, making charging more convenient than ever. Pricing. Pricing for the 2027 Volkswagen ID. Buzz is expected to start around $62,000 for base models, while higher trims and all-wheel drive versions can approach or exceed $70,000. Volkswagen has also introduced a new Tourer version designed for camping enthusiasts, featuring a fold-out mattress, window blinds, and adventure-focused equipment. The 2027 Volkswagen ID. Buzz is more than just a minivan, it's a statement. It combines nostalgic design, cutting-edge electric technology, excellent passenger space, and a fun personality that few vehicles can match. If you want a practical family EV that stands out from the crowd, offers impressive comfort, and delivers a unique driving experience, the sky blue Volkswagen ID. Buzz deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the Volkswagen ID, Buzz over a traditional SUV,